Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we are going to learn how to lock your RBC client card online. We will also put a link in the description below. To start, open the website, then click Sign In. Now, enter your client card or username. After entering, click on Next. Here, enter your password. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see a tab for Profile and Account Settings. Click on Profile and Account Settings tab. On the left side menu of this page, you will see tab for Account Management. Click on Account Management. Then on this page, you will see several options. Click on the option that says Card Lock. Beside your RBC client card, you will see a toggle button. Toggle to unlock. That's how you unlock your RBC client card online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.